for the things. All right, Paul, let's go do the showing, right? All right, let's roll. Let's go get this showing done. Let's be safe and put on our seatbelt. Slow, look at you, bro. Who says a Prius can't go fast? Huh? Alrighty, so one of the first things I like to do is look at the roof in the home, right? And there's several ways that you can see if the roof is still in good shape, right? So the shingles usually, if they have regular shingles, not the tile shingles, they look a little bit more stacked on top of each other.
See, Zen's tea house is right here.
Oh, that's the place where you buy all your stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay
What
healthy.
do you buy there?
I buy, for anybody that is into health, I buy matcha green tea. It's concentrated. It's very good. Antioxidants, helps with defeating cancer or preventing cancer, I should say. And I also buy golden milk, which is not milk at all. It's an actual powder. And it has ginger root. It's really good, though. It's really good.
So the property we're going to go see, it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It is 1,309 square feet, building 1954. It was listed on the 16th. The market is crazy right now. I should have gone in the back seat like ranch right here. But it's not a Cadillac, so it's not the same, you know. But yeah, let's see. What about the lot size on this one? 5,700 square feet lot size, which is pretty decent. I would say it's a little bit bigger than most. I would say the average square foot lot size on a property is 5,000 square feet.
The lot?
Yeah, 5,000 square foot lot is definitely like the most common.
Every single time I try to speed up with that freaking lady would speed up. She didn't let me go get on the other lane.
She has something to prove, Paul. She has something to prove. She wants to let you know that her car is faster than your Prius. That's what that lady wants to let you know. I had to put it
on power mode.
What you know about power mode on this Prius?
It goes fast.
Damn.
They turned the railroad tracks into like a trail.
Yeah, right here in Whittier. It's been a while. You know, next to the railroad tracks, you get a nice little walking, running trail. It's nice. They did something similar to over there in Paramount. In Paramount by the 105.
Mm-hmm.
And I heard Southgate is doing something like that too. They want to call it Southgate Groves, I believe. Something like that. But, you know, Whittier's actually divided into 4 different parts. There's the city of Whittier. There's South Whittier. There's East Whittier. And then there's West Whittier, also known as Los Nietos. Little quick fact about Whittier.
All right.
Yeah. And then you got Uptown Whittier too, which is not really like an MLS area or anything like that, but
it's an awesome
uptown.
downtown.
Whittier does not have a downtown. They have an uptown. Okay, so don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. We're buying it out, bro. Is that a sign?
I was gonna tell you if you wanted to eat, but we have another showing.
Oh, you were able to book it?
Santa Fe Springs.
Oh, they like the brick. They always dig in this brick stuff.
Safety first. Let's go.
Alrighty, so one of the first things I like to do is look at the roof in the home, right? And there's several ways that you can see if the roof is still in good shape, right? So the shingles usually, if they have regular shingles, not the tile shingles, they look a little bit more stacked on top of each other, not as flat. So as I can tell in this property, the shingles are in pretty good shape. So that's the first thing that I look at when we're previewing a property. The second thing I look at personally is the bottom of the roof. And So the side skirts right here. So we want to look for rotten wood, right? Just because we want to make sure that the property is in good shape as far as the roof. That's the two things that I look at. Then obviously my eyes go to the windows, right? This windows look pretty good, right? They've been updated recently. And then I look at the front yard. So what am I looking for in the front yard is huge trees. Why am I looking for huge trees? Because usually when you have a big tree in the front of your house, and the actual roots are pretty deep in there, you may have some problems with the main line, the main sewer line, where the tree has actually infiltrated the main sewer line. So then it starts getting backed up, and at one point you're gonna have to replace that main line. So that's usually the first things I look at just before even walking into the home. I also walk around the whole property and I look for cracks in the foundation or in the stucco, right? Just to let us know essentially how that works, right? And that's basically it. Thank you for watching our whole video. If you want to know more about what we do to actually show properties and the things and tips that we give our buyers and sellers, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get notified as soon as we drop a brand new video. Also, smash that like button. It really does help with us and YouTube's algorithm. As you know, we would really appreciate if you smash that like button. Once again, my name is Diego Barco, your local realtor and team leader for Barco Real Estate Group. I look forward to seeing you very soon.